G'day, I'm Stu from Jimy Tools. Today I'm going to give you a comprehensive walkthrough of what is possibly Australia's largest toolbox. It's by Jimy Tools and it's called the DOZER. 17 drawer configuration. You've got your top section there, which is a massive hutch, and that whole lid section lifts up. Then you've got your side cab there as well, which contains drawers and shelves. It's got a stainless steel bench top in there as well. So let's take a closer look. So you've just rolled up at the workshop, and while all those other boys are opening up their toolboxes, you open up yours. Unbelievable. Okay, so once we open up this top section of the hutch here, which is supported by two huge gas struts, we've got a huge stainless steel bench top here, and this excellent shelf, which has three different positions that you can adjust it into. The actual width of this piece is about 1845 by 730. On the side here, we've got a full-length cabinet. She measures up at about 1575, and the width is about 480. Inside, what you've got is a whole bunch of shelves. So you've got these two large industrial shelves. There's different levels that you can have these shelves at. Then you've got a bunch of drawers. Now the drawer depth in this particular box is absolutely phenomenal, and to have drawers in your side cab is an absolute bonus as well. The depth of your drawers is about 675. You've got a full-length butterfly hinge going from top to bottom, and it's all lockable. Now in the top section here, you notice you've got a couple of outlets, and these are for your power. So if you want to bring power into the actual unit, you can do it through here or here. What you've got here next to your side cabinet is a massive drawer. So this drawer has an absolutely huge weight capacity on it of around 200 kilos. It's got your power outlet here, great for storing all your batteries, your charging equipment, all of that type of stuff in here. You can actually use one of these shelves and put it in here if you want to double up. Look, you've even got dudes putting angles and Wacos in here as well. There's nothing wrong with that in my books. Now the toolbox drawers have got a huge capacity, starting off with a minimum of 120 kilos. So this drawer here is actually 240 kilos. Going into our next drawer, which is again 240 kilos, and another drawer 240 kilos. So there's no problem with me at all, just walking around on these drawers. Very, very easy, not a problem at all. These drawers fully extended, as you can see. There is just absolutely no issue. Fully extended, no issue at all. I'm bouncing around on this, thing's not even close to coming to fall over. So, good low center of gravity and excellent quality roller bearing slides. The internals of all the roller bearing slides are what I'm going to show you next. So I've pulled one of the drawers out, and this is the actual section of the slide that fits on the side of the drawer. As you can see, it's all steel. And then we move down to our actual roller bearing slides themselves, and what you see here is again full steel cage with your roller bearing slides going the whole length. That's why I can freely walk around on these drawers without any issues at all. As you can see there, they just keep going and going and going right the way down, and then you'll see there your second set of slides. And just to touch this, it's all greasy. You can see that on my fingers there. They're very well prepared from the factory, and they're super tough. We're gonna have a look at your main drawer. So first up, let's have a look at our dimensions of this huge main drawer. So you've got a drawer depth about 675. Your width, you're looking at 1235. So 675 by 1235 by 135. Your top drawer has got twin roller bearing slides on there. So this top drawer here should be able to easily handle 200 kilos. Now one thing I'll point out here is all the drawers have this locking mechanism. It's an independent locking mechanism, and all you do is you rock the actual drawer handle back and forth or up and down, and it will release that locking pin from the tab, which is just in here. So we'll close this drawer. without me lifting that up, it will not open. Which means that when you're rolling this around, which is quite easy to do because it's got 8 wheels, which we're going to show you soon, those drawers aren't going to come in and out even when you have got the thing stacked. That locking mechanism is also even on these cabinet drawers. And also on all your main drawers as well. So let's have a look at these huge caster wheels. First up, polyurethane. So the surroundings is all polyurethane. Got a full linkage with suspension system here. The swivels up top here, you've actually around this side you've got a grease nipple, so you can actually grease all the bearings inside there. It also comes in a form without that side cab as well. If you just want to buy this bottom section and the hutch, we can certainly do that for you. It's on our website as well. Now a lot of people think because of how big this thing is, it's just going to be impossible to walk around with or roll around the workshop. So next up we're going to have a bit of a joyride. So here we go, we're going to go for a roll around the factory, around the warehouse, and just show you that this thing's quite easy to move around. So I've just done a 90-degree turn there. Do another 90, piece of cake. No dramas at all. All one-handed, easy. Now we're going to go back. So I'll swing it around 180. Away we go. So as you can see, there's literally nothing to be scared of about rolling around a 500 kilo toolbox. If you got someone on the other end, well, yeah, sure. It's going to be a bit easier, but you know, that's not the case today, so I've just managed to do that pretty easily. And when I do my next video, which is going to be this thing stacked full of 1675 piece, I'll do exactly the same again and show you that it's really not an issue to roll this thing around once you get it going. So that, folks, is our dozer. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching the whole thing. If you like all of our videos and you like what you see here, we actually do post them all up on our YouTube channel. So anything that I've done, check out our YouTube channel, which is Jimy Official. If you've got any questions or comments, send us a message to the page, or also you can put them down in the comments below. As you know, we're an Australian family-owned business, been going longer than 27 years. We ship Australia-wide. You can actually get this whole unit on 24 months interest-free as well. That allows you to spread that investment over your 24 months with a weekly, monthly, or fortnightly repayment. So next up, what we're going to be doing is the 1675 piece tool kit, which goes into this dozer. It's an absolutely massive toolkit. It's our biggest toolkit. Going through drawer by drawer, walk through on that one as well. A lot of people have really been screaming out to see that one, so we're going to be loading that in there, and I'll get that video out to you as well.